Quiet back there. He's coming. So does that mean I gets to keep my weed? Aw, come on. 5 more minutes. Yeah, why don't you leave us be? What right does that do after Buck is falling here? We want the duck! Or Donald! Or Douglas! That's not the way to speak to us, rookie. We'll get even. On! 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 Ha ha! How's your butt feeling, Ollie? Get the hell out, Ollie! Well, well, look here, boys. It's our old pal Ollie. Come on, we're only being nice. We even wrote a song for you. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3. Ollie has no use at all. He thinks he's very clever. Says that he can manage us. That's the best joke ever. When he orders us about with the greatest follies, we just push him down the well. Pop goes old Ollie. Ha ha ha. What's up? Hold back, and pass the word to the elders. Yeah! Whoa! What's going on? Ah! I'm falling apart! Oh! Holy! I've just fallen to pieces. I mean, wow, now I look like a flatbed with 2 sides on it, one with a face and one with no face. I now look like a troublesome flatbed, do you know that? I mean, wow, is this sand or something? Why, that's just terrible, man. Really, really terrible. And not because I'm a troublesome truck. That's horrible in a bad way. Not horrible in the troublesome truck way. Take care of Mr. Oliver. If you play tricks on him, he will. You up.